Sequoia sempervirens, also known as coastal redwoods, and far more popularly, California redwoods, are among the most recognized and famous species of organic wonders in the world. Found primarily on the coast of Northern California, these titans of Mother Nature are a celebrated symbol of the Golden State. They can grow to an average height of 200 to 240 feet, while others have been recorded to be up to 380 feet. They can also have a trunk width of over 20 feet. In addition to their overpowering stature, they are also known for their incredible lifespan. On average, a California redwood tree can live up to 500 to 700 years. However, some redwoods have been recorded to be over 2,000 years old, meaning some redwoods have existed since the time of the Roman Empire. In addition to their natural lifespan, the defenses these flora giants have developed to combat natural disasters is a reason for their incredible longevity. The bark that they grow can develop up to 12 inches thick and lacks flammable resin, which makes more mature redwoods highly resistant to forest fires. They also have developed a vast interconnected root system with other redwoods in the immediate vicinity that gives them superior stability and support from high winds and floods. These almost otherworldly miracles of nature have captured the awe of countless onlookers for endless generations, a prime example of the natural beauty of Earth and the importance of respecting the planet we call home. To millions of travelers around the world, they are a spectacle that feels like a once-in-a-lifetime experience. To native Californians, they are a reminder of the land they call home and the beauty that surrounds it.